to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. Hello guys, you're welcome. You're welcome to my channel. You're on Vyroko channel. You're welcome to another episode of one of my recipes. So today I'm going to be sharing how I prepare my Zobo in the winter. Medicinal type of Zobo. I make it a little bit stronger. So let me introduce you to the ingredients before I go and wash them. Here I have my pineapple. I'm going to be using the pineapple. I'm going to be using the skin, the peel of the pineapple. I'm not using all. I'll wash it, cut it, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to use. Here I have the chief ingredients. This are the Zobo leaves. Yes, so I have this. It's about 3 cups of Zobo here. You can use any amount. This is the quantity I'm using. And here I have my ginger. I'm going to be using ginger. I have my lemon. I'm going to be using lemon. Brown sugar. I don't like using white sugar. So you use the amount according to what you are preparing. Here I have about 1.5 cup of sugar or so. And here I have my cinnamon sticks I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be putting cinnamon sticks. Have some water. And here my pot. So I will now go and wash my pineapple properly. My pineapple, I normally wash it by using a brush. I'm going to brush the skin of the pineapple properly. I'll use the salt. Use some salt to wash the skin off. And then I'll wash my Zobo leaves. Wash my ginger. I'm going to wash all the things. When I finish washing them, I'll come back. Guys, so I have finished washing. These are my Zobo leaves. Wash them properly, guys, because kind of sandy. So we need to wash them properly, and you sieve it. This is my sieve that I use in sieving after washing. Okay. I've also washed my pineapple. I'm not going to be using all. I will cut it. I don't know if I mentioned the cloves. I'm going to be adding some cloves. My cloves I've already blended some. I normally blend them so that when I want to use, I just put it like that. So this is it's about half teaspoon of clove here. You can put any amount of clove you want depending on what you are preparing. So I have washed my ginger. I've washed everything. Now I'm going to be cutting my pineapple. So I'll cut off the head. Yes, I'll cut it off. Make sure you wash your pineapple properly. If you are using the skin, wash it well. If you don't want to use the skin, it's optional. Normally I use the skin because it is very medicinal, contains antioxidants, and it's really very good for cold. Yes, plenty of vitamin C, guys, in the pineapple. So I'm going to be keeping some in my freezer. I'm not using all. I will keep some. Even these ones, I'm not going to be using all. I'll keep them in the freezer because normally when I want it, it's not all the time I go to the supermarket. So these are the things I'm going to be using. Yes, these are the ones I'm going to be using. Pour the peelings like so. So I'm going to put it inside my pot. The pineapple, the pot. This is just what I'm going to be using, guys. I'm not using all because this drink we make it a lot, like 3 to 4 times in a week. We are on Zobo. Zobo is very good, especially this way that I'm preparing it, guys. This is very medicinal. So this is my ginger. If you like, it's optional. You can also take your ginger, cut them into pieces and blend it and pour it inside to boil together. But sometimes I do it like this. When I don't want to blend it, I cut them into pieces. I've washed the skin, so I'm going to be boiling everything together inside. Ginger is very good, guys. Ginger is very, very good. This drink I'm preparing is a very good home remedy for cold, especially those of you that you are living outside the country, those of us diasporans. This is good. Prevent cold, flu, what have you. If you make this drink all the time, you will see that you'll be free from having cold and fever. No fever, no cold. And this is so, so good. And then I take my lemon as well. I'm not going to use all, it's too much. This I'm going to keep apart in the freezer. This is what I'm using, about half. So I cut it like so. Everything is going to boil together, guys. This is so medicinal, like so. You see, cloves, half teaspoon of cloves. This is my cinnamon stick. If you have this one, is better. This is very, very good. This is more powerful than the one they blend. I prefer using this one, guys. If you have it, it's better. You just break it inside. Cinnamon stick. If you don't have it, use the blended one. Okay? This is very medicinal. I break them, I put it inside. I'm not going to be adding my brown sugar now. Cane sugar. I will add it almost when the Zobo is ready. Like 5 minutes before I off it. I sweeten with sugar. If you don't want to put sugar, you can also use honey. When you finish, you off your stove, you put your honey to sweeten it. Yes? Okay. So this sugar is going later, not now. Okay. So let us put it to boil. This is water. I'm going to be adding water here. Okay. Cover it with water. This one is about 1.5, guys, of water. So I'm going to add some more water to this. I'm going to cover it completely with water. Yes. Because this is so good. We drink it for like, when I prepare like this, I keep it away and we can drink this for like 2-3 days, guys, depending. This is so good. So just cover with water. I'm going to give it a stir and then I will leave it to boil. You see? Okay. Normally I leave it to boil for like 40 minutes. Depend. 35-40 minutes. I'm going to time it 40 minutes. Before it finish, I'm going to put the sugar to sweeten, or sugar or honey, anyone that you prefer. If today is the first time of coming on this channel, you're clicking on my channel, you're coming here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you love what I do, just do me a favor, it is free. Click on that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, that way you know whenever I upload my videos. For those of you that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much, God bless you. On this channel, I actually prepare my homemade recipes, my homemade meals, because I believe we are what we take inside. Yes, and I also prepare home remedies, just like this one. It's a very good Zobo drink. It's home remedy for cold, flu, what have you. Many people don't know, but this is a very good drink to always have, or summer or winter. But in winter, this is how I prepare it. And also, I prepare the Italian cuisine once in a while. So if you love what I do, just do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Support my channel. Thank you. 20 minutes, half time already. Because I'm going to let it boil for like 35 to 40 minutes, guys. Yes. So I'm going to wait for another 15 to 20 minutes. So just to show you guys how it is. So it's boiling. It's amazing, guys. Look at that. So guys, I'm about to off it. 5 minutes before I off it, I'm going to be putting the cane sugar, brown sugar. Okay, I'll add all, and then I stir. So after adding the sugar, I'll give it a taste to see if it's okay. It should be okay because I don't want to add too much. That is normally the amount I use. So you can add sugar according to your taste. If you don't want to add brown sugar, you can add your white. I don't eat white sugar. I don't eat it because it's not healthy. You can use honey, guys, if you don't want brown sugar. But this is normally what I use. So now I'm going to off it. This is about 35 minutes, guys. So you can leave your own for 35 minutes as well, depending on the quantity you are preparing. So before I sieve it, what I do is I strain it like so. I strain it with my strainer and I put it in a separate pot because I'm going to be pouring it into a bigger container. So I strain them like so, first of all. So guys, I'm going to be showing you. I have finished. I'm going to just sieve it out in a cup. So this is our Zobo. I advise you guys to go and prepare your own. This is so nice. It's so medicinal. It has a lot of immune booster. Yes, give this a try, guys. Like always, I've also come to the end of another video. Till I come your way again, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.